Hello dear students, nice to see you again. Today our lesson is the poem Nature Colors. Let's start our lesson. Contents. Today we are going to learn the poem Nature Colors. Also we have some new words and the grammar, plural nouns, and we will do some activities. The poem Nature Colors. Dear students, now you are going to listen to the audio. Listen attentively because according to the poem we have some questions.
Happy reader. Nature colors.
What are they? They're orange butterflies and green frogs. They're red ladybugs on brown logs. Are they plants? Are they bees? They aren't rabbits. What do you see? They're black ants on pink plants and yellow bees in big green trees. They're caterpillars, gray and blue, beige and purple, and orange too.
Dear students, match the animals and insects with the correct colors according to the text. Pause the video, match them, then return to the video. The first item is butterflies are orange. Yes, the butterflies are orange. Frogs are green. Ladybugs are red. And the ants are black. Well done, dear students. Grammar. Plural nouns s and es. Dear students, the most nouns form their plural by simply adding s to the end of the word. For example, book, books. When a noun ends in s, double s, ch, sh, x, or z, we add es to form the plural. For example, box, boxes. Brush, brushes. Activity time. Add s or es to form the plural. Dear students, pause the video, add them, then return to the video. The first word is book, and we add s, books. The second word is box. Because of x, we add es, boxes. The third word is watch. Because of ch letter combination, we add es, watches. The next word is pen, and we add s, pens. The last word is class. Because of ss letter combination, we add es, classes. Well done, dear students. Circle the correct plural form. Dear students, pause the video, circle them, then return to the video. The first word is dish, and the correct plural form of this word is dishes. The second word is map, and the correct plural form of this word is maps. The next word is bus. The correct plural form of this word is buses. The next word is table. The correct plural form of this word is tables. And the last word is fox. Because of x, the correct plural form of this word is foxes. Well done, dear students. Dear students, today we have listened to the poem Nature Colors. Also, we have learned some new words and the grammar, plural nouns, s or es. And we did some activities. See you next lesson. Goodbye.